Here's the first sublimation tumbler that we are going to go ahead and give a makeover to. So we need our tumbler. I have a sanding block here. I have some black spray paint, and we are going to make this one over with some UV DTF stickers. Now these are full wraps that are fitted to a tumbler of this size. I believe it's like 9.3 by 8.1 inches, but make sure you measure. And I got this package. I will tell you all of the items used in this video will be linked in my Amazon store, so check it out if you're interested. And this packet came with 4 different wraps, and I haven't really decided which one I want to use yet, but this is like my favorite color palette. I love black, pink and black, like that's a classic combination. Not a big fan of this one. It's a lot of green, and so it kind of looks a little bit tone on tone to me. And this one is light and airy. So for the purpose of our video, I think I am going to go with, guys, it's between these two. Okay, I'm gonna do it. My favorite color palette. We're gonna go with this. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and sand this down. I want to rough up the surface so that the spray paint has something to really take hold of. Okay guys, and then I am going to take it out back and go ahead and spray this with the black spray paint, and then I'm going to allow 20 minutes before we move on to the next step. So I am all done, but you may have noticed there has been a change in plans. I actually end up using navy blue spray paint, because when I went to spray that black, I thought it was enough in there for the tumbler, but it was not. So let's go ahead and get all of this out of here. And then I used some painter's tape around the edge there so that my spray paint would not get on the inside of the tumbler. And the navy blue actually does play well off of the our vinyl sticker here. Now, I always get in, well, no I don't. I am an eyeballer, and sometimes some things you shouldn't eyeball, you should measure or draw a line, and I'm not doing that today, y'all. I probably should, but I'm not. So let's just go ahead and get this placed. I'm gonna take my time. All right guys, and we are all done. Now the UV DTF sticker is going to be waterproof, so you don't have to worry about like the sticker coming up or anything like that. You just want to go through and make sure that it is pressed very, very well. So there we go.